Hi, we've got an unboxing video, so we'll start with the big box. eBay, modern stuff. Packed it quite well with all this foam stuff. So let's see. Some of this foam packing peanuts, as they say. Okay, here, let's see what we get. So there should be 3 blue cards, Saga Blue from 2002 to 2003-4. Yeah, so you can see it's the Han Endor. I'll just take it out of the packaging in the bubble wrap. I've got these ones just to open and review down the line, but I've already got this one, so still need to get the vintage collection version of this. Endor Bunker Raid. It's all about the lighting. It's really dark today, but that's the Han Solo. Comes with a detonator, 2 detonators, pistol, and these figures have gimmicks in them. Like he's got a quick fire, rotate race and push button to quick draw a weapon or throw a punch. So that'd be a nice one to look at later. And we've got Obi-Wan Kenobi. I believe you're looking at the Han. Quite good condition, really. These were only £3 each, so I thought why not grab them. So the Han is a Jedi figure, and this is a Attack of the Clones, which was the movie at the time. There's the packaging there. There's the Obi-Wan pilot gear with slashing lightsaber attack. It's got a little antenna piece there. This would be a deluxe figure these days, unfortunately. Obi-Wan Kenobi, he's number 36 from 02, so the Han is number 37. His blister's still pretty clear compared to Han's. Han's has got a tinge of yellow. But yeah, not bad. So I've got those 2. We also got another one. Which is going to be the Anakin, I think. Sure, he's from Attack of the Clones. I remember when Toys R Us had these on sale, they had them all for $2.99, including Elephant Man, Mon. So I grabbed 8 of those back in the day, 8 Elephant Man Mons. There's quite a few of them that are quite pricey now, like the one, Obi-Wan Kenobi just picked up that Padme in the blue dress, Tatooine, whatever it's called. So this is Anakin Hanger Jewel. Comes with 2 sabers with dueling lightsaber action. He's number 22. He looks like turn wheel on the back to make left wrist rotate for lightsaber battling action. Yeah, there you can see the wheel just there. So this is the time they were putting the gimmicks into the figures. Those 3 were like from the same seller as the other 2, which he said like, I've got other stuff, if you want to order it, I'll give you a big discount on the postage. So this now is the main thing I wanted. It's from 2004. I think with this one I've completed the set of the first 12 VOTC figures. Vintage Original Trilogy Collection. So I did a good job packing these. I've got it now. So I had the Walrus Raider. I've got 16 of the Walrus Raiders, but this is the actual Darth Vader US release. But the Walrus Raider is exactly the same as this one. Cool card, well, classic card back, Empire Strikes Back. And yeah, nice. Let's look at the figure. Unlit lightsaber. Yeah, he's got the swivel arm elbows, cut elbows, I mean. But it does look nice on card. So now I think I've completed the first 12 of these figures. So I've got all of those for Luke. Yeah, I think this is the last one I needed to complete the lot of US Kenner. Let's see if it's sealed. Looks like it is. Tape there and there. Yeah, so it's sealed. Good. The Vader from the original VOTC. Precursor to the vintage collection. And the last thing I bought was this Darth Maul. I already got this figure. The main reason I wanted it was because of the offer it had on it, and so I'll show you that. Let's show you, put the Vader there while I unbox this one. Cool figure, that Vader. So I think in America they had an offer on the Phantom Menace figures for a Star Wars Jedi Quest party, and this one has the offer on it. There we go, cool. So that should be dead mint, this one. Looks it. It's the Darth Maul Sith Lord with lightsaber removable blade, US card with the win the ultimate party. You could win the ultimate party offer. And on the back it's got that big sticker, which was the thing that intrigued me. As far as I know, I don't have any episode 1 figures with this offer on it. 600 additional prize winners, 4 grand prize winners. You could win a galaxy of prizes worth $12,500, including a party for 25 friends to watch episode 1 on your new big screen TV, your PlayStation game console, and cool Hasbro toys. So pretty cool sticker there. Taking up half the card almost. And this Darth Maul. Pretty cool figure back in the day. Sith Lord. So that's what I picked up. So that's 5 figures there, modern figures. And then the last thing I bought was on eBay last Sunday. You know, you're bored. It's a graded loose figure, vintage, so let's get this open quickly. It's one I've got quite a few variants of, so or what you'd say a focus on. Yeah, the baggie, it's a Bib Fortuna, Taiwan, AFA 85, Near Mint Plus, green lining, dark staff. So this isn't really just an upgrade really, because I've got the UKG Taiwan, Bib Fortuna. Can you really see the green lining there? Cool. So those are my two pickups. I've got the bib, that loose graded. I've got the Mexican version. I need the Hong Kong actually, loose graded. Got the Mexican green cape, not the burgundy. Cool figure. Really, they did a great job back in '83. Older case, but doesn't look too bad. And then we've got the modern figures as well. We've got, just go over them at the Darth Maul with the party offer. The Vader, VOTC, completes the first 12 of those. I did buy the Luke and Han back in 2004. It's only taken me 20 years to collect those 12. We've got the Obi-Wan Kenobi with slashing lightsaber action. We've got the Anakin with dueling lightsaber action. Can't remember I don't think these come with stands though. And we've got the Han Endor with the thermal detonators. Strange how they pack the arm twisted like that. In terms of likeness, these figures were very gimmicky, so what other ones did they have? Got the Chewbacca, Cloud City, I'm sure I've got that one. No, I have. And I've got the same on the back. And that Yoda, I'm not sure I've got that. I've definitely got him. We've got the 4 figures there, I've already got those. And then it covers up. Anyway, I hope you like looking at that. That's what I picked up of late. Here's the bib. Quite a nice looking figure. Very cool. Anyway, it's time to stop waffling. Cheers, goodbye.